Okay, we're back, and our little tripod has been fixed. Hopefully it'll stay. So far it's not. There we go. Okay. All right, we're back. So where we last left off, we're drawing a ladybug tromping through the snow
with a mean turkey in the background.
Yeah, a mean turkey who's going to be wearing a hat too.
No one suggested a hat, Dad.
That's true. Hey, Nick, thanks for tuning in. We're doing a you tell me what to draw. So far, we've got a ladybug tromping through the snow. I'm just starting to put the darks down, but if you have any suggestions, I will put them on here.
Yes, it does have
the
a big
bug
hat.
will have a hat, yes.
Same with the turkey.
Yeah. Everybody's dressed appropriately. Anything you want on that hat? Oh, hey, Chris. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year to you too, Nick. What else? Could we put a scarf on this ladybug?
Yeah.
Not too many comments here. We got people looking. A Santa hat. Done. We'll do it, Jay. Santa hat.
Put the Santa hat on the turkey.
No,
it already has like a Santa hat.
We've got the Santa hat. It's going on the ladybug.
Okay.
We'll put some texture in there to make it look like fun. You working today, Jay? What about big boots? You got it. We'll put on some like moon boots. Jay is in control here. Hey, Albie. Albie's got a day off today. Albie, we're doing one of those, you comment, I draw it in, and I've got my daughter here working the camera, and we're doing this together. We did it last year during a snowstorm. Hey, all right, Jay, all right, all right. Can the ladybug be carrying a suitcase and a ticket to somewhere warmer? Yes, it can. Who's that? That's Mom chiming in.
Nope, at work.
Who's at work? Albie's at work? Oh, you know what? That makes sense. Don't get caught, brother. Don't get caught. I saw your Spider-Man sketch the other day. That was looking pretty gruesome and fun, but gruesome. All right, we'll put the suitcase right here. And let's see.
No idea.
Am I at the office today? No, Jay, we are working in the Mind studio today. This is my emergency production bunker. And this is where we come to get things done, just in case deadlines get a little crazy. Hey, Gio and Dave, Happy New Year, guys. Good luck, Albie. I hope you get it. Hey, Sandra, how are you? Happy New Year. We're doing our live drawing reunion. I think it was last year we did this, and now we're going again. That's a Jay. Yeah, I can kind of work anywhere, so it kind of, every once in a while it's kind of nice. And I made everybody breakfast today. Hey, Dante, what's up, brother? Dante, what can I show you if you're watching? What can we show Dante? Dante's a fellow fan of the Conan goodness. Look at this. This is something. Look at that. It's a digest. How cool is that? Albie, be safe today, brother. Have a great day. Thanks for going into work for everybody today. Oh, Danielle's watching. Happy New Year, Danielle. Any comments you want to add to our ladybug tromping through the snow? We'll get them in here. Where the bug is going.
Well, you can write North Carolina on the ticket.
You want to put North Carolina on there? Okay, we'll do that. And I think we should put like a scarf around this guy too. Oh, I made French toast for everybody. So there's our bug trump, and I'm going to move the camera just a little bit so we can see a little bit more of our. Is it warm up here, Bug?
Yeah.
There's like little bags under his eyes because he's like, yo, I'm not happy about this. Right?
Mm-hmm.
We'll put like a pattern on this scarf.
Any other suggestions?
Thank you, Elena. That's good. Oh, is it warm in North Carolina? Probably not. It's warmer than here, probably, than today.
Well, we didn't write anything on the ticket yet, so you can write that. Well, so Dad will write that. Okay, Dad? Okay, Mom?
What do you want me to write on there?
North Carolina.
Oh, okay. Hey, Wagner. Happy New Year. Thanks for tuning in. We're doing another community collaborative drawing experience. Just putting some boots on the old ladybug here. Put some snow.
Dad, write the thing on the ticket.
Oh, I will, I promise. You want me to put North Carolina, so I'm going to put Carolina right here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I hope this isn't dying on us. There we go. And we'll put RTH right there.
Any other comments?
Good job. We only got 2 people watching right now, so that's going to affect the tide of comments. We probably have people that are either playing video games or playing in the snow today.
Yep. We're at work.
Not too many people going to work today. I think they're taking the day
The
off.
person that was on.
Albie had to work. It's true. But not many people. I would say a drastic drop in people going to work. A lot of people work from home these days, so. Some snow. Here's our angry turkey.
Five people are watching now.
Oh, cool. 6. It's jumping. What about stuff flying around in the storm in the background?
Like a crazy bird.
Like a crazy bird.
Yeah, crazy bird.
We still got to put this hat
Daddy,
on this guy.
someone else is.
Let's see. Hey, Chris. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. We're doing our live collaborative drawing sponsored by the Free Lunch Studio Patreon site. You get a little shot of there. So we do a lot of fun videos at the Patreon site. A lot of instructional drawing videos. And they're going to be for all levels, not just for little kids. He's coming. He's coming. He's back here.
Yeah,
See his
he's
head
back
back
there.
there? Clear that out of there. Ah, Chris. Thanks, man. So, keep putting... Is Steph still watching? She might be. You never know.
She just started watching, Dad.
She did. Well, people jump in and out because they're at work.
Yeah.
Or they're surfing and seeing there's a lot of other things out there to watch. We're not the only one. There's our ladybug so far. Yeah, big grumpy ladybug. I'm defending this because I don't think ladybugs like to be walking in the snow, right? That's kind of my thought process on this.
Where are the snowflakes?
They're coming. They're coming. Got a lot to do here.
Turkey looks funny.
So for the adults that are watching, I want you to remember, like, if you're interested in learning to draw, the big thing here to remember is that, you know, we're not worried about making mistakes. You know, you used to sit during class when you were a kid and you would watch, or you would listen to your meeting, and then you would sketch with a pen. Let's see what is this? Thanks, Jay. You know, we're going to do this more regularly. I want to host them at the. My original intent was to do it on YouTube and direct the customers to see that. That's a tough thing to do if you have a bunch of different devices hogging up signal. It gets really, really tough. But I appreciate that, Jay. They can hear you. So, Elena, were you surprised that there was no school today?
No.
You kind of knew.
Everyone was like talking about it being a snow day at school.
Oh, is that right? Hey, Chris, Happy New Year. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, Nancy's watching. Hi, Nancy. I expect to see you today at 5 o'clock. Just kidding. We're not going to have your private lesson today. We're skipping it this week. I can hear somebody in the house is watching this video. So, Nancy, we're drawing a ladybug tromping through a snowstorm on their way to get out of town. Oh, Nikki G. Nikki, are you working today? Happy New Year. What about a big sled?
He could be dragging the big sled behind him.
We could. He does have an arm that we have not used yet.
Mommy, Henry doesn't have a sled.
We'll put that arm, we can ghost it right there. And let's see. Let me move this over. If we put, let's see here. We can have this pull. It's going to fall off the sheet though, but we can have the sled right there. And you know what? Maybe you can read it to me. What does it say? Hey, Josh. You can read it to me.
Oh my god, you just put a grumpy Henry in the background on the sled.
We can put Henry on the sled.
Ha
And he's holding on.
Henry looks so cute. You can see his head. It sort of looks like a fuzzy bird.
Yeah.
Seth is watching.
Hey, Seth, how are you? There is no drink and draw tonight, my man. Stay home, stay safe, stay warm. But we've got a ladybug tromping through the snow here. Put that shell on there.
Can I see?
Start putting some dots. Read it
So
to me,
says
please.
hiya.
Hi. This one's coming out all right. Right? What do you think?
It's funny. You should hang this one in your office like the dragon one.
I think we can do that. You still getting it? I'll pull this a little closer.
Any more ideas?
Conan map out of the way.
Any more ideas? Don't put it too sideways, Dad, so they can see the whole picture.
Yeah. How's that? Is that good?
Yeah, that's...
Uh-oh. Now we're in trouble. I did it.
Dad.
I did it.
You shouldn't have messed with it. It was good the way it was.
It's true. Now we're back. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get this Coney map out of here. Now we have a little bit more room. All right, back to Henry.
I love the Henry LOL from the J Green.
Hey, thanks, Jay.
Martha King is watching.
Hi, Martha. How
Can
are
we
you?
give him a bark bubble?
Like a bark sound effect? A bark bubble. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. So we'll have it shoot off from here. Next time we do this, Elena, we should do it to music.
Me and Ryan, what is the ladybug thinking?
I'm out of here. No, we'll put a thought balloon there. Still got to get this turkey taken care of.
We'll do it at the end, okay, Mama? Jamie Miller, yeah. It's not even finished with the bark.
No, I tend to jump around when I'm drawing fast like this, you know? You can see that snow is still coming down.
Yeah, hard.
Yep.
It's going to be the most snow we had in a long time.
You think so?
Yeah. Because last year we had a lot of snow. This year, no.
You mean the reverse of that? This year we'll have a lot of snow. Last year we didn't.
No, we had that giant fort, remember?
Last year? Yeah, we'll get some music in here next time. Here's our angry turkey. Ooh.
Did I have an idea?
Yeah, what's that?
Maybe the ladybug could be wearing like have earplugs, and listening to music.
I can put earmuffs on here for sure, but I don't know if I can get the
Earplugs?
earmuffs.
Earplugs. Why would he need earmuffs?
Because it's free. It's freezing out.
Mary is watching.
Mary who? Oh, hey, Mary. One of the Hertford Whalers is watching, right? Yeah. Awesome. I'm excited to see you ladies in one of your practices so I can get some reference photos and do some warm-up sketches. Yeah, that's it. The earmuffs are the headphones. That's it. That's it. My camera woman has stepped away. Chris Vazegas. What's up, Chris? Working from home today. I'm assuming just like me. We're doing a... Oh, cool. That'd be awesome. Ava wants to know which whaler is watching. I think it's Black Mamba, Ava, and it's one of the... she used to skate for Bedrock City, and she is moving her way up the food chain. If she's still watching, I'm sure she would chime in and let us know. I don't know. I think we could do something with this. See, now we got a shade around this face. Thinking about doing a serious sketch. Hey, David. How are you? Happy New Year. Oh, welcome back from your little break.
Michael,
Oh, Michelle. Hi, Michelle. Happy New Year. So, guys, this is kind of a reunion or a revisiting of a very fun concept that Elena and I did last year during a snowstorm, where I draw what people say. And, you know, you can see that we're a couple minutes in here, and we've got our little ladybug tromping through the snow. And the sponsor for this event is the Patreon site, where we do a lot of fun drawing classes, print of the month club, fun things like that. So yeah, going back to what I was saying before, like I really want to get, I want to do an advanced drawing tutorial on pen shading like this. I think that would be a lot of fun.
David is watching.
Yeah, David. Hello, David. David is down in North Carolina, I believe. So, David, this is where our ladybug is going. The ladybug has a ticket to go and visit your neck of the woods. So, if you're still watching, how's the weather? What's going on down there? We need to know. Our ladybug needs to know. No response yet.
Anyone have any ideas for the ladybug? Or turkey? Or Henry?
The turkey is kind of in the background. We're going to move away from him.
Okay. What about Henry?
What about Henry? Yeah, I got to clean him up a little bit.
He looks fine to me.
You think so?
Yeah, it looks like Henry when he's really
spazzed out.
Yeah.
We can put some trees in the background. I know we could do that. That'll help pop these things forward.
Yeah, but the last one didn't have a background.
No. Well, wait. The last one we did was the monkey and the tutu invading the city, and that did have a background to it.
The dragon one didn't.
No, the dragon one did not.
And it looked really good.
But we had a lot of contributors of ideas for that one too. Where this one, we kind of had some people kind of running the show for us. Dogs and cats. Okay. Let's put a dog over here. coming along pretty good. I want to get some of these darks fleshed out now. What do you think?
I think that I wrote that.
You did? That's where you're going? You're going downstairs to watch?
Yeah, to write things. I can't write things up here. Mommy keeps on sending hearts and thumbs up.
You can just say things. You're right here.
Yeah. Mama, you can stop now.
You never know. It may not be her.
No, it was. It shows the picture of what.
Of who did it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Someone keeps on saying. See, stop. No. Ah.
Oh. No sad faces. No sad faces.
No sad faces, Mama.
That means we're not doing our job right. That's on us.
No, it's just because I told you to stop sending them.
Well, that's silly. We want to keep seeing them, right?
No. Look at.
Here's another cat.
Can we have some ideas here?
Well, I'm trying to catch up. I'm going to put like Christmas trees in the background here. Or evergreens, I should say. She's going back downstairs. Get that hand on that rope back there. Finish the sound effect. I feel like the pen is kind of betraying me now too. You can see it. It's lost some of its precision. But I think we've got a good thing going here. Can shade, simple shade this tree. Oh, Henry's coming up here now. Someone must have told him we were drawing him up here. Icicles. Icicles. Where could we put icicles? Hi, Kylie. Where could we put icicles? Are you really watching this from 2 feet away? And now we hear playback of playback. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're losing this pen, folks. I feel like we've got a pretty good thing here. Off the rope or the sled. Yeah, we could do that. Or maybe off the suitcase would make sense. There we go. And then we can put the base of the tree here. And that'll pull those elements forward. Kylie, I heard you were jumping in for the shuffle. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Kylie, are you working today? Are you working today or are you staying home? And Carrie's here. Hello, Carrie. How are you? And you've got another writer. Uh-oh. Okay. The names are coming in, which is very exciting. That's going to be a very big day. That day we're doing the Revenge of Move It workshop in the morning. And then we're going to do the shuffle in the afternoon. So it's going to be a very long, exhausting day. And then the next day we go to Plainville, and you know how that works, champ. We're going to support the work that we did. So that'll be a very busy weekend. Yeah, that sound effect looks terrible. Yes, and when will last year's book come out? Yes, it will. I actually just put the finishing touches on the cover, and the pages are all scanned in, and it's simple as, you know, me writing a quick paragraph, which I plan on doing that today. Probably send it off to print tomorrow or Saturday. So yes, fear not, the shuffle will be there, barring any kind of massive weather emergency. Last time I sent the job down south, my friend also wants to know when he needs to pay. I've got to find out about your friend. I don't know your friend, and do they have any writing experience? So I think that that's something we need to talk about before we talk about anything else, because I want to make sure that they understand the challenge that is in front of them. You know, writing a comic story for 5 hours. Well, you know from experience, you're not just writing those 5 hours, you're supporting the artist that you're working with and stuff. Turkey emoji. I'm not familiar with that, but I might be able to put in a sweatshirt for sure. And then it's almost like the Coach Belichick special sweatshirt, you know, with the sleeves cut off. There, what do you think of that? You can see the hood back there. What do you guys think? Sounds good. I texted you yesterday. It's Anthony from work. He went to... Okay, yeah, cool. We talk a lot about work yesterday. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, hello. Hello, Lee. How are you? Happy New Year. So we just finished up our collaborative drawing experience. I'll move this out of here so you can get a better look at it. So the theme... Ugly sweatshirt. Yeah, I don't know what that means. So it's got the sleeves cut off. Doesn't Coach Belichick wear an ugly sweatshirt all the time? So you can see there's our ladybug. It's snowing, cats and dogs. There's some trees in the background. We got little Henry on a sled. And our traveling ladybug is heading down to North Carolina for a little escape of the cold weather. So I'll tune this up a little bit, and then we'll put it up on the Patreon site. Maybe turn it into a coloring contest or something like that. So there you have it. I want to thank you for joining in. Free Lunch Studios is on Patreon. You can see we do video classes now. There's the Print of the Month Club, and we do original art from there. All of my Christmas supporting Patreons are probably just opening up, or will be opening up, those little celebrity caricatures. So it's a lot of fun, the Patreon page. So be sure to check it out. You can see a lot of it is just up there. Do it. I don't understand what to do with the ugly sweatshirt. We'll talk about that offline. But there it is, folks. And I will go back and I'll hide your names in here. If any of you collaborated an idea, I'll hide your name in here. And I promise, thank you. I love his angriness too. Rawr. And I promise I'll hide your names in here, and I'm going to clean up that sound effect too, because that's really bugging me. Oh, gosh. All right, so there you have it. Maybe we'll do one a little later. This is Matt Ryan signing off for Elena as well. I hope you have a great, safe snow day today. All right, bye.